So before I put the seats in, I thought I'll give you guys a quick update because a lot, as you can see, has changed. So I've got the harness bar in. As you can see, I've had to cut the AR Designs, what do you call it, rear seat delete. So this is how far you've actually got to cut. So I've had to redo these, recover these, which isn't a problem, but it makes it look a bit more OEM doing it that way instead of just having giant holes. I've painted this in Rust-Oleum gunmetal, the same with the bar at the back. I've also done Zilla Life print on the parcel shelf speakers. I've also done the parcel shelf speaker itself in Alcantara. I've also done the Zilla Life print on there and across there, and I think that looks really cool. Everybody does go safe these days, and I don't like being safe. So yeah, apart from that, I've got the harnesses in, but I may have to tighten them up when I get the seats in. I need to check because the straps were a bit low when I put them in. These bits that go on over your shoulders, they were a little low. But yeah, apart from that, it's not actually too bad in here. So let's shut up and get the seats in, and then we should be about there. Apologies for the wind noise, guys. I haven't got my microphone on. I've got the car running as well because it looks like it's going to absolutely tip it down soon. That actually looks like bright sky, but it really isn't. So yeah, that's the interior. The seats are in. That was actually a lot harder than I thought because you guys can't see. You can see a little bit down there if it will focus, but it's really hard to get that. If you're having the harnesses in, to get the eye bolts in, that is really difficult. It's even like moved the plastic on my thing. There we go, just push it back. But it's actually like damaged this a little bit, so not a problem. I'll be changing these anyway eventually. Oops, had my hand in the camera. But yeah, so these are the seats in, sliders are everything in. I think that looks pretty damn good. Let me just go round the other side so you guys get a better angle so I can actually show you properly if I go over them like that. But yeah, I think that looks really damn good. Whether it's a good idea having these and dailying it, only time will tell. I will do like a review, like a in a couple of months review, but they are really good. They're very damn comfy. The only awkward bits are, like I said, trying to get the eye bolts in at the back. They were an absolute pig, and then trying to get the harnesses sort of like level and everything else. They're still not 100% done, but I've just got to get the fire extinguisher in that side, which I'll do right now. Right, so this is the fire extinguisher from the good boys at Race Safe. Again, hope I don't need this, but it's always better to have and not need it than to need it and not have it. How does this come off of here? So that's the bracket for the actual fire extinguisher. The actual fire extinguisher is just a standard fire extinguisher. They do custom ones, but I thought I'll go with, you know, OEM kind of vibes to it. So we'll put that down there a minute. And then this, if I can get the cellophane off it. So this bracket is specifically for the what are they called, aftermarket seats. So obviously you've got RS for race safe. You can customize that if you want. I didn't think it was necessary. And then literally just put this on the nuts, which I'll undo in a minute. So you're just going to try and work out roughly where you want it. Push that back on. So it will sit. I'm saying it's there, maybe back and go on. I would say about there, to be fair. Right, so we'll do it on the third hole. Get these undone. Off. So off. Right. Alright. So, and you also have a little bag of nuts. Now. Where? There we go. So just need to. Good. Right. All right. And then it's just a case of pushing that in. All right. She is in. Right, people. So apologies for a couple of days delay. So basically the seats are now in. As you can see, they now recline. If I get them to recline a bit so I can actually show you. So that is basically what the harness bar looks like in. So don't know if I can get the camera to show you guys, but basically you have to trim the pillar there. I don't know if the camera is showing that, but yeah, you have to trim the pillar there, and then if you've got a rear seat delete like I have, then you have to cut it. If you've got rear seats, it does push in slightly against the cushion, but nothing really. But yeah, as you can see there as well, I've had to cut that side, but that's how it all sits. Obviously then got the harnesses on as well. So if I now push this seat back a bit, so let me go back one more, there we go. So obviously the seats are now in as well. The Corbeau seats are in, Corbeau harnesses even are in as well. I am tempted just to make up a little Corbeau sticker and put it here, maybe in like a little gold or black or something, just to make it look a bit nicer and stand out a little bit. But yeah, that's the seats, guys. So it's the everything bolts literally straight in. So also the harness bar clips in, I don't know if I said earlier, down the bottom there. But yeah, if I just zoom out a minute, you guys can then get a better look at how everything is. Everything that I've used for the seats and the harnesses and everything I will link below, but let me just turn. But yeah, so that'll be for the Corbeau seat video, guys. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.